Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I found some new league stuff. Actually, I did not find them. A Prodigy math game player found them. Thanks to him for showing this out. I'm just showing the items that are going to come to the game in a few days, or they could be in the game, and I have not yet found them. I have checked every single location. I've not actually checked Lamplight Town. Let me check real quick. Okay, so it's not in Lamplight Town, meaning that these are basically unobtainable. No one knows how to get them right now. So yeah, I'm going to be showing them to you now. Okay, so the first one that we have is the White Onion Helm, which looks like this. It has a heart bonus of 2, and it says, if you can fight through the tears, this helmet offers good protection against attacks. It obviously doesn't because it's heart bonus of 2, but we'll go ahead and put that on. It looks like this. So there are no new outfits, but there are 4 or 3 new ones. The first one looks like the Royal Bear Axe. This axe reminds you to be proud. Inside you there is royalty, and you must remember this. Spell Wildfire, range 3, and a power bonus of 10. We'll go ahead and wear that. Next, we have the Caveman Club. Ones where were not always elegant, but even in the past they packed a wallop. Spell is Kapow Cabbage, range of 3, power bonus of 5, so it's not going to be very good. Next up, we have the Selfie Stick. If we go down a little bit, it says, have a big smile and laugh often. This wand helps you remember the good times. Spell Static Shock, range of 3, power bonus of 5, so this is another one that's not going to be good. It kind of looks like one thing that's in the member box, but I deleted mine, so I cannot show it to you. And then we have the Doom Tree, which is the one that Prodigy Math Game Player showed in his video. It says, this sword was made for 2 reasons: to win battles and to send a message while you do it. Spell Overgrowth, the range 3, power bonus of 10. So that is all the ones, and we have one boot, which is another one in Prodigy Math Game Player's video. Slime boots. It's a heart bonus of 2, and it says, the squishy slime makes these boots very comfy to walk around in. Try not to lose your socks when taking them off. So yeah, that is the slime boots. We'll go ahead and wear that for no reason because you can't see it. And on to the buddies. We'll go ahead and show the Chunky Cat first. Anything that falls on the floor belongs to her, especially food. Try to take it and you may get a scratch. So this looks like one of those cats that I don't really know how to describe it, but yeah, I can't describe it. But Chunky Cat looks weird. Its eyes are closed. It's chunky. And the next one, if you go down, is the Mini Masked Menace. It says, some advice from a friendly raccoon. Masks are fun. Climbing is great exercise. Don't eat junk food. People throw away strange things, and the night is more fun than the day. So this is its running animation, and I'll go ahead and show that. So now we are decked out like this. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna end up the video. There might be a new update coming soon, or these are somehow obtainable in some way that I do not know. But yeah, that's going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.